Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Tech Channel.
In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. Sometimes messages on WhatsApp might get deleted before you get a chance to read them. In case something like this happens, you can use a third-party application in order to see the deleted message even after it has been removed for everyone. So first of all, in order to install this application, go into the Google Play Store and then search for Notisave. Once you find the Notisave application, tap on the Install button, and when the installation is complete, press on Open to open up the application. Now from the Welcome screen, tap on the Next button and then press Allow. Now press Next and then turn on the toggle for the Notisave application in order to allow access into your notification. Then press on Allow and then press Allow once again in order to allow the application access into your storage. Now press on Next to access the notification settings. Tap on the All Apps button to make sure that none of your app notifications are blocked. Now you will be taken into the Notisave application homepage. Now that we have installed this application, when someone sends a message and then deletes it, we can go into the Notisave application, which clearly shows that there is a notification right on the icon. Open up the Notisave application and tap on the message icon at the bottom left corner. There you will find your recent WhatsApp conversations. When you open up the conversation from which the message was deleted, you will also be able to see the actual message that was deleted by the user. So that is how you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. If this video was useful to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.